Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today is CPI inflation data, definitely a big news event, so definitely be very, very cautious with that. I mean, to me, it looks like I've been saying for a few weeks now, it looks like a possible ABC or maybe even a 1, 2, 3. And if that's true, it potentially should make like another five-wave impulsive move to the upside, kind of like what happened over here. So there's a chance we have like a wave one here, maybe like a wave two, a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five of wave C to come. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of seems to me like potentially one of these spikes right here is the end of a wave one, and maybe this sideways action is actually a crescent to the wave one, the wave two, which I would think that would go down to at least a 51 or the 61% before it actually turned back up for a wave three. Definitely seems like that is the most likely scenario, especially when I look at all the US dollar pairs as a group. So, anyways, definitely be cautious with the news today. Definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.